Come, Mydei, let's recommence our previous competition.
This is how all my yaois start.
We'll see who can stay in the super hot bath for longer.
What the fuck? Whoa.
What?
Whoa,
Are you
bro.
chickening out?
The phrase chickening out does not exist in the Kremnoan language. Are you not aware that we Kremnoans use boiling water from sword forging for our baths? Looks like I'll have to teach you some royal etiquette today.
And thus, an unprecedented sauna battle commences! With unparalleled resolve, the two warriors' determination even
Move,
alters
butterfly!
the very
I don't care about
esteem.
you! Show us what we want to
Intertwined with
see!
scalding. The spectacle is so magnificent that none dare gaze upon it directly.
Me! I want to gaze upon it
Can't see
directly!
what's happening in the... Why don't I regale you with a tale of kings to pass the time?
Yaoi too powerful, they needed this random ass break.
Mentioned by a certain veteran. For tens of thousands of years, without respite, the two creatures thus continued their relentless pursuit and rivalry. Fixated on its rival's flame form in the chase.
Okay, go back to the fat spread. Go back to the fat spread.
On the other's neck.
Go back. You don't need to show me. I don't dare anymore. Stop. I don't dare anymore. Put it away.
Corner.
What is this? Stop!
It had nowhere to escape. On the land of Amphorius, some lives
Oh
meet
my
their end
God.
at dusk, some at dawn, and at last, the most scorching moment of the day descended upon them. The formidable hand of fate heeded their call and arrived!
What the fuck?
My lords, would you like me to reduce the temperature a little?
Why are they wearing clothes? Sorry, not to sound weird, but like, why are they wearing clothes in the bath?
You're chickening out already?
Get lost.
Are you asking me to get lost, or...
What is happening?
Do whatever you want.
I can't. This is a little too.
Please,
Dude.
forgive my presumptuousness, my
Dude, yeah, we
lords.
fall. Oh my god, Star Rail, what happened? Oh, thank God it's over.